Alright, welcome to SE Custom Designs. Please look up my series on Festool tools, and you'll see the various segments where I bought my very first Festool tool. This was my second unit, and this is a Festool CleanTech, and this guy here is the subject of the video for today. Essentially, when you buy your unit, you're going to get one bag. So that's that. So then you really don't know. I didn't know how long it was going to take for that bag to fill up. My current project is sanding my entryway, my stairs, which are oak, Southern pine is what the main floor is, and then the platforms. You go up the steps, you have a platform, step up, platform, rest of the steps, and then you have the entryways to the various rooms. So I have sanded, I would say 3 times, with from 40 grit to 80 grit, in some cases 120. We actually don't want 120, but because that's going to be too slippery to walk on. The end goal is to poly. But back to this. I had no idea how long it was going to take me to fill the bag. To my surprise, it's just about full, and man, does this unit pack in the dust, almost like a rock inside the bag. You're going to see that shortly. But I had to decide, am I going to go get another bag, which is approximately $36 US, or am I going to get like 4 bags, which is going to cost you obviously more. I think it was 120. Don't quote me on these prices. Or am I going to get what they call the forever bag? And the forever bag is a bag that you can empty. So upon some research, I saw that some folks were actually emptying their normal filter bag, and it can be done, but apparently it's not so easy. So I decided, even before I saw how fast this was filling up, I decided I was going to get the forever bag, which is approximately $129. Again, don't quote me on the exact price, 139 maybe. And so that came in, and so this episode is going to be all about showing you my bag inside, and then we'll unbox the forever filter bag. Again, please watch the series. The next video is going to be yet another sander. I think in my previous videos I said I won't be buying any more Festool tools for a while for some obvious reasons. They ain't cheap, but they are very good tools. I'm going to be talking about some sandpaper that I got for one of my sanders. Very displeased with it, and we'll explain what that means in that video. But the other sandpapers that I ordered for the sanders are good. So let's go ahead, and here's how you get to your bag. You lift this, push down. And then you're going to lift. And very carefully set it down. I'm going to set it down here. All right. And that is solid, my friends. This bag here and here. And there is room inside for some more. This is what I'm basically, that very, very fine sand is what's in the bag. Okay, and to take the bag out, it's very, very easy. Oh, by the way, if you don't have one of these units, you may have read that if your unit is clogged, or is working hard to do its job, you're going to hear a beep. Well, I did hear the beep, and it's because this bag is as full as it is. Very, very impressed with how it condensed, and virtually no dust out in the air, because this unit allows. So you essentially are, it's very easy. You're just going to lift this out like this. Wow. There's the inside. And here is the bag. Wow. Is this packed? There you go. The Festool LL-FIS-CT MIDI-2 CT15. We're going to go ahead and place this. I'll put it right here. Now let's unbox the Forever bag. I am not sponsored by ACME tools, but they do sell the Festool tools several states over from where I am, here in upstate New York. All right. A special gift for me, $100 wine voucher. All right, here it is. The LL-FIS-CT CT15. Okay. Just looking at the box here. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. I like to do unboxing so you can see my first impressions. Okay. Got some instructions here telling you how to put the bag in. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, it's really not that difficult. And you're going to want to register your tools with Festool. They give you 3 years warranty. So it is called the Festool Longlife FIS-CT MIDI-2 CT15, 15 quart, I guess. All right, so here it is. Seems very, very rugged, very, very thick. Just inspecting it, making sure that the unit I have is satisfactory. Looks like there's a handle here and here, and this is the top. So the next video is going to be all about emptying this. So let's go ahead and put it in. All right. Apparently I'm going to take this tab here and I'm going to put it down in here, like so. And I'm going to snap it in place. That easy. All right. So once again, have a look. Slides down in there, and then snaps in here. Take it out. Reverse that. All right, very easy. That's what we want. All right, so now let's gonna put it in like that. Let's set this unit back on. See what it looks like underneath. Make sure I don't pinch the bag. Push that bag down in there. There we go. And then take these clips. And there we go. In theory, I should be all set. So look for the next video as to how long it takes me to fill it up. Don't really have any. I'm going to continue sanding my floors. So, but I'm really not sure how long that's going to take me when I'm going to get to doing that. So, thank you for watching. You saw my very first impressions of unboxing and inserting the filter bag. We have 1,000+ videos of unboxing multiple tools and projects that we have completed here at SE Custom Designs. Thank you for watching. Do my usual goodbyes. Shalom v'cha l'kol chaverim sheli b'aretz Yisrael v'ba'olam. Bye to my friends in Israel around the world. It's Hebrew, Masalami, Arabic, Totzins, Afrikaans, Tsaijin, mainland China, and or Taiwan. And Arrivederci, au revoir. Those languages. Take care, God bless, stay safe out there, and let's take care of each other. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, thumbs up if you like what you saw, and would be honored if you subscribe to my channel. I like to interact with y'all, so just leave me text, questions, whatever, comments. Keep them nice, please.